And this is Steve, the owner of Aloha Divers. Hi Steve.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm very good, thank you.
How was your day today? You've been diving?
Yes, it's been nice. We've been out on the boat today.
It was a nice day today, yeah?
Yeah, it's nice and sunny, nice and warm.
Excellent. So Steve, tell us about your company here. What do you do, and why should anybody come and do diving over here?
We deal in all scuba diving. We do from novice all the way up to professional. So anybody who has never dived before, we take them out, we give them an opportunity to have a try, see what it's like to scuba dive. After that, we then do all the range of the PADI courses. Cyprus waters are very nice and clear, very calm, and they're very good to learn.
Excellent. Steve, how long you been doing this job?
I've been working as a diving instructor now for 5 years.
Excellent. And all this is happening in Limassol, right?
Yes, we do all this in Limassol. We do boat trips, we do the Zenobia trips as well. So we do island-wide safaris and any diving needs.
Excellent. I'm sure lots of tourists will take the opportunity and dive with you, Steve, because you look very professional, and I'm sure they will enjoy it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.